Hi, good morning, boys and girls. You're going to need to take out your iReady books. And we're going to be working today again on details and asking questions as we're good readers. Who, what, when, where, because that often helps us with the passage that we're reading. Today, I need you to open to page 14. And you can pause the video while you get out your book. What am I? What am I? Page 14 by Ron Friedel. I live on both land and water. I love to hop around. My skin is shiny green. My eyes are bright red. What am I? I am a red-eyed tree frog. My home is in the rainforest. This huge wet jungle is my habitat. What a wonderful place to live. Millions of insects live up in the trees. I grab them with my long, sticky tongue. Crunchy crickets are a favorite. Yum! I am glad that my habitat is so wet. I need lots of water to keep my shiny green skin moist. So I am glad it rains so much here. I do most of my hunting at night. In the daytime, I sleep in the trees. My green skin makes me blend in with the leaves, and that helps keep me safe from all the hungry birds and snakes. My bulging red eyes help protect me too. When hungry enemies come near, I flash my eyes at them. They are so startled that they don't know what to do, and that gives me time to escape and live another day in my wonderful habitat. Really like that interesting passage about that red-eyed tree frog. Down here, there's a little purple box. Close reader habits. Why does asking questions as you read help you learn about the red-eyed tree frog? Underline key details in the article. So I want you to go back through this article, and if there's anything that you thought was an important detail about the red-eyed tree frog, I want you to draw a line under it. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to while you do that. Question number 1. Where do red-eyed tree frogs live? Write the answer on the line below. Circle the information in the article that helped you to answer the question. Well, when I go back in the passage, if you look at paragraph 3, it gives you that information. So where does the red-eyed tree frog live? In the rainforest. So you want to restate the question. The red-eyed tree frog lives in the rainforest, period. Number 2, based on what you read in the article, how do red-eyed tree frogs escape from their enemies? Circle 2 answers for the questions. A, by opening their bright red eyes. B, by climbing up the trees. C, by napping on the leaves. D, by startling their enemies. Again, you can come back over, and if you look in this last paragraph, you'll find the 2 answers. If you need more time, you can pause the video. But as we saw in paragraph 6, he says he flashes his eyes at them, and they're startled and don't know what to do. So your answers would be A and D. Talk. Reread the article. Think of another question about red-eyed tree frogs to ask your partner. Talk about the answer and underline the key details that answer that question. So what you can do now with someone at home or in school is to discuss the article and come up with what's another question that you could ask that would be answered in this article. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Number 4, short response. Use information from the article to answer the question below. Write your answer in the space on page 17. Hint. Find the answer in the article and underline it before you write. How do red-eyed tree frogs catch their food? Well, if you go back, here's another hint to paragraph 3. It tells you how they catch their food. So go ahead and underline that. And then you can use that information to finish up writing right here on page 17. How do red-eyed tree frogs catch their food?